Deeply worrying and extremely disturbing case of a prolonged sexual assault allegedly on a minor athlete in Kerala. As many as 44 people have been arrested in Kerala's Pathanamthitta for allegedly sexually abusing and even gang raping a minor athlete over the last 5 years. She has named 59 accused in her FIR, and some of whom are abroad. Her father, an alcoholic, and her mother, a daily wager, say they were not aware of the abuse, which started when the girl was 13 years of age, allegedly. An SIT has been formed by the Kerala police. My colleague Uma Sudhir reports on this extremely disturbing case.
Already 44 people have been arrested in the case. What we are being told is that 13 others are absconding and at least 2 people are abroad. And the DIG Ajita Begum has mentioned that red corner notices are to be issued for both these people. This shocking case of how sexual abuse of a minor continued over a very prolonged period of time with as many as 62 people, as she mentioned in her statement, that remained a secret and did not catch anyone's attention, is something that the police is quite foxed about and is now probing. A special team of as many as 25 officers has been constituted, and what they have learned so far from the girl's statement as well is that her first case of abuse happened when she was about 13 years old. A neighbor who was also some kind of a mentor, a sports coach, he was training her and had sexually abused this child who was also very enthusiastic about sports, and he had taken photographs and videos and started using that to exploit her. Certain other friends and associates of him also joined in the sexual assault on this young girl. Subsequently, not only people in the neighborhood, her sports trainers, her fellow athletes, classmates, all of them were involved in this kind of an abuse that seems to have continued systematically, because they were using all that photographs and videos in order to blackmail her, and they were in fact using the cell phone of the girl's father, a smartphone that was being used by the girl's father, in order to communicate with her and also solicit her for this kind of an activity. How it escaped the eyes of the father is something that is still unanswered, but we are being told that the father is in fact an alcoholic and the mother is a daily wager who remains quite busy because she has to earn for the family, and she does have a sibling as well. How this came to light was through a Snehita program of the Kudumbashree program that is there for women in Kerala, and what we understand is that a teacher had noticed that all is not well with this young girl and had referred her to the Child Welfare Committee, who started speaking to the girl, and that is when they understood that something as shocking as this had been going on for as many as 5 years. The girl has said that she used to be called to the Pathanamthitta bus stop, from where she would be taken in vehicles to multiple locations where she would be sexually assaulted. There have also been cases of gang rape that have happened, including one at a rubber plantation in Rani, and another one that happened at the Pathanamthitta General Hospital as well. And because a 45-year-old man had not only sexually assaulted her but hurt her, he seems to have been a sadist and a pervert, and that is when this entire issue came to light. Shockingly, some of the accused are in fact minors, and most of the accused are between 21 and 30 years of age. 4 of them are minors. 2 of them were minors when the crime was committed as well.
Disturbing the case there in Kerala.